Good morning, this is Shelby Law with the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Sunday, August 30th, 2015. There are no significant impacts expected across the Great Basin for the next few days. We will have some showers over the northern central Idaho mountains this afternoon, with some gusty winds again over eastern Idaho and portions of southwest Utah. There was a large swath of lightning that moved through southeast Idaho yesterday, and those storms generally had some precipitation with them. Stations read anywhere from less than 1/10 of an inch to up to almost a 1/2 an inch of rain with these storms. Further north over the central Idaho mountains, some stations also reported anywhere between 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of rain. Light initial attack was observed yesterday with significant growth on the teepee fire. This morning's water vapor imagery shows that broad area of low pressure over much of the western U.S. The cold front is making its way through the southern Great Basin today, and temperatures have decreased significantly behind the front over Idaho and northern Nevada. We'll see another little wave move through northern Idaho later today, and that will bring a chance of some showers to the north central Idaho mountains. Significant fire potential has decreased from yesterday in the wake of that cold front. Temperatures have dropped 10 to 15 degrees behind yesterday's cold front, particularly over the northern and western portions of the Great Basin. For this afternoon, there is a chance of showers over the far north-central Idaho mountains, with a chance of isolated to widely scattered thunderstorms over much of central and eastern Utah and western Wyoming. On Monday, dry west to southwest flow spreads throughout the Great Basin for generally sunny skies region-wide and gradually warming temperatures. Temperatures will still be somewhat mild for the time of year, especially over Idaho, with highs nearing 90 degrees in Utah and Nevada. More of the same is expected on Tuesday as dry southwest flow continues across the Great Basin. We'll begin to see another low pressure center moving into the Pacific Northwest. This may cause winds to slightly increase beginning on Tuesday. Generally sunny skies will continue with mild temperatures region-wide. On Wednesday, a cold front associated with that low will move into central Idaho and may cause showers to move into the central Idaho mountains, as well as increased wind speeds across southern portions of the Great Basin. The cold front remains the dominant feature on Thursday and even into Friday, keeping the chance for showers in the forecast, particularly over the central Idaho mountains. Utah and Nevada will remain dry through the period. And by Saturday into the weekend, generally dry westerly flow will return region-wide. Forecast precipitation amounts are shown here for today on the left and Wednesday through Friday on the right. We do expect to see those showers move into far northern central Idaho today, with the teepee fire being in a pretty good position to see some showers this afternoon and evening. There's also a chance for some showers across far south central Utah. For next week, in the Wednesday to Thursday time frame, we'll see that next cold front move through and could bring some showers once again to the central Idaho mountains. Overall fire danger is decreasing across the north. This image doesn't capture the precipitation from yesterday evening in those areas, so we expect these values to continue to decrease over the next few days. The ERCs for PSA GBO1, shown on the top right, are on the downward trend, and I think we probably have peaked in terms of fire danger across the central Idaho mountains, as we are expecting to see a few more cool, wet systems to move through in that area. Over Utah and Nevada, however, fire danger is going to remain somewhat high through the next week or so as the warm, dry weather pattern continues. As we are making our way into September, the longer, cooler nights will have an impact on our overall fire danger, but there's no significant relief in sight for Utah or Nevada in terms of widespread wetting rain. The extended forecast going into the second week of September is calling for near normal temperatures across much of the Great Basin, with below normal precipitation expected. This concludes today's fire potential briefing. Please check back tomorrow for the latest updates.